Yo, Rob, how do I put the chat here? Thanks for joining the stream. The number one viewer. Okay. Like I want to have the chat here without opening the YouTube tab. I think learning to do calculus 3 is easier than learning how to stream. Where's Abu Saad? Wait. I'm calling him. Wait. It's not picking up. Okay, so we start. What is calculate the derivative using implicit differentiation? Okay, dw over dz. Okay, so dw over dz. So the function is x w plus 5 Who is the other viewer? You have two accounts. Okay. Okay, so x is dw over dz. X is a constant, and we get, wait, okay, so it's x raised to 6. Okay, phone and laptop. Thank you, the first and second supporter of the stream. X6 dw over dz plus 5w dw over dz. So this one is a product rule plus 2 dz over dw. No, wait. It's just dz over dw times z squared plus 2zw. Finally, plus 2yz I think I messed up the first question. Ah, so I take dw and dz as a common factor. Okay, no problem. I'll do it again. Plus, there are three viewers now. Who is the third? Plus 5. Wz is just w. The derivative of z squared is 2z plus z squared. The derivative of w is dw over dz. And the last one, plus 2yz, is just plus 2y. It's equal to 0. So we take dw over dz. Now it's x raised to 6 plus 5w raised to 4 plus z squared. So خلاص now we have it's equal to minus 2wz minus 2y over over this. Okay, so the answer is first question solved on stream ever in AULAC. Minus 2wz minus 2y over x raised to 6. I just hope it's correct. 5w raised to 4 plus z square. Yes. Okay, that's like almost 10% of the homework. Okay, question 2. Z is equal x plus y e raised to y, and x is equal u square plus v square y. Find the following partial derivative using chain rule. Enter your answer as a function of u and v. Z is equal x plus y e raised to. Okay, so first thing we have to find dx over du, which is just 2u, and then dx over dv is 2v dy over du is 2u, dy over dv is minus 2v. Okay, so he's asking for dz over du and dz over. Okay, then we find dz over dx, which is x plus y times e raised to y, so it's just x ey plus y ey. Okay, this is a constant, and the derivative of this is just e to the y. Now dz over dy, is dz over dy. Mm, it's the same thing. Now, okay, the first one, the derivative of e to the y is just e to the y, so x e to the y. Now this is product rule, so e to the y plus e raised to y. Now this is still have y e raised to the y. Okay, so dz over du, dz over du is equal dz over du is equal to dz over dx times, is it dx? Yeah, dx over du. Is it a plus here, or because I know you should do this dz over dy times dy over du. Is it a plus here or what? Okay, so dz over dx. Why are you laughing? ey times dx over du, which is, where is dx over du? Did I not find it? Where is dx over du? Ah, it's 2u. Plus dz over dy I think I can put it in a better way. So it's just e to the y times. Welcome, Yazan, to the stream. The third viewer in the channel. نورت الستريم لايف. ey x plus 1 plus y over which. Why are you even streaming? For the greater good. So people like Rob can learn. times dy over du. Where is dy over du? It's 2u. Okay, I think now we substitute u with can I leave it like this, or I have to substitute y is equal to u square minus v square? I have less than 2 hours. It's only 1 hour 30 minutes. I think it's the deadline is at 11. Okay, so we put instead of y u square minus v square times 2u. Okay, wait. I think I can do it better. So it's 2u e raised to the y plus e raised to y x plus 1 plus y times 2u. So I can take 2u e raised to y as a common factor. Now it's 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so x plus y plus 2, x plus y plus 2. Four questions are multiple choice. That one I can share the answer. Okay, thanks God, because there's no way I'm doing 12 questions in 1 hour if I took 20 minutes to do the first question. No ChatGPT, no DeepSeek. Bad influence. I'm a good influencer. Okay. Okay, so now I just substitute and plug it here, right? So e u squared minus v squared u squared plus v squared plus u squared minus v squared plus 2. I pray it's correct. 2u e raised to u squared. The stream is lagging. That's because I'm using bad equipment. It's the first time. You got a sub, Yazan. Send sub so we can improve the stream next time. Donate to the stream so we can improve it the next time. U squared u squared. Wait, this is u squared plus u squared, so it's 2u squared. This is 0, so okay, just write here 2u squared plus 2. 2 mubashir shawarmas. Wonder how that will help the stream. Okay, at least the first one is correct. So Now dz over dx. Rob, you sure that the multiple questions are the same? Maybe I have different. It's just easy. Now here it's dx dv. Okay. No way, no way. I'm not giving up in the second question. D dz over dy. I'm only going to use ChatGPT if it's less than 20 minutes and I have more than 3 questions. GDP dy over dv. So what is dz over dx? It's a to the y times dx over dv 2v plus dz over dy a raised to y 1 plus x plus y multiplied by dy over dv minus 2v. Okay, so e to the y 2v minus 2v 1 plus x plus y. Is this correct? Minus 2v? I think it's correct. Okay. So 2v minus 2v is just gone. So e to the y x plus y. That's e. Let's do it here. Where's y again? It's just copy paste it from here. Can't wait for you to tutor calc 3. Is this Abu Saada? Okay, so x plus y. So it's u squared plus u squared, 2u squared, and 0v squared. So it's just 2u squared. See, the thing is, you have to think this way. You are an engineer. You got to do things quickly. Don't have to type everything and do it manually. Okay, so okay, so what did I do wrong here? Okay, what about the 2v? Is this correct? Is this correct? E raised to y x times x plus y. So x is just u squared plus v squared and y is uh, u squared minus v squared صح؟ اه اوكي 2v here still wrong minus okay thank you Rob for the small help okay خلاص دي لعبتي electric circuits in a simple circuit V is equal IR where is V is the voltage, I is the current, resistance. Assume that the battery wears out, the voltage decreases at 0.02 volts per second. Does that mean dV over dt is equal to 0.02? Okay, I'll just assume that. The resistor heats up, the resistance is increasing. It should be minus, right? If it's decreases, okay. Uh, then dr over dt dr over dt is increasing by 0.01, so leave it as positive. And the great question is, when the resistance is 100 ohm and the current is 0.01 amperes, at what rate is the current changing? So the question is di over dt. And R is 100, I is 0.01. Okay, so how do we find di over dt? Mm, okay, so I is equal to V over R. So partial derivative of I. So it's di over dt. Is it like this? dv over dt over dr over dt? Di over dr times dr over dt. What is di over dr anyway? You have dr over dt, I have dv over dt. I is equal to vr. Yeah, I know that, but I is not equal to vr. I is equal to v over r. Di over dr is equal to v. Okay, so I have to find v first. So 100 times 0.01 is 1 volt, and di over dr is equal to 1, and dr over dt So di over dr was v. So is it wrong? We have 5 people here. 2 likes. Calculus 3. It's not differential. Okay. Drop, I'm still waiting. di over dt is dv over dt minus ix dr ki only. Okay. Okay. How did you get this equation? dv over dt, okay, 0.02 minus I 0.01. For now, I'm gonna pretend like I know this rule, but 0.01 dr over dt is also 0.0. Okay, 0.02. I still have no idea. Let me show you the. No, I can't show you right now. I am only in lecture 5, so I studied only until. Wait. Lines and planes in space. So chapter 6, section 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll do them tomorrow. Zero point zero 0.01. There's still time, yes, and don't panic. Or Rob is panicking here. So if I did 5 lectures in one day, I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, can do 5 tomorrow and 2 on the day of the exam, which is Tuesday. So this says here 0.0199. Wait, this is okay. Oh, divide by R. Okay, so divide by 100. Still wrong. You are sure this formula is correct? Because dv over dt is... it's minus. It's minus. Okay. Sorry, my mistake. So over 100 it's minus should be 0 minus 0.0000199. Rob, can you give me the final answer? These are the givens. This is dv over dt, dr of dt over dt, ri and v. Okay, I'll just let Rob work on this question and do the next question. Okay, Jessica and Matthew are running towards the point P along the straight path that make a fixed angle of minus 2.01. Okay, so we'll go back, change this to 201. Okay, thank you, Rob. Again, running towards the point P along the straight path. I'll give you one because it's useful for you. Why it's suggested for you? Because it's useful. It's better than watching games or useless stuff. Jessica and Matthew are running towards the point P along the straight path that make a fixed angle of theta. Suppose that Matthew runs with velocity and okay, b the distance from Matthew to the Jessica when Matthew is x meters and p. Okay, so what is the question? Show that fxy is equal to this formula. So we have a triangle. This is here, this is fxy, this is y, this is x. So we know that fxy squared is just x squared plus y squared minus 2xy cosine theta. So taking square root here, square root there, we get x squared y squared minus 2xy cosine theta. Okay, so we did the proof part. The solution of this question is in the sample solution Dr. Kim has. Okay. Is it here, the one in the announcements? Where is it exactly? It's number 8. Okay. It's 5, 6, 7, and 8. Where is the answer? Question 8. Just use the calculator. Minus 80. 95 square root of 2, and square root of this 325 minus 150 square root of 2 says 0.066. Okay, let's try that. 0.066. I guess I have to type the whole thing. Minus 80 plus 95 square root of 2 over 2 325 minus 150 square root of 2. Okay, there's no time. I don't have to solve all of the questions, right? I can just do 90%, so I'll just leave that one. Okay, 1 hour for how many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only solved 3, so 9 questions, but I don't have to solve them all, so only 8 questions in 1 hour. It's super easy. Okay, just skip that one. F x and y is equal to x cubed y, and why it's long, it's only 2 variables. Ct t squared 2t cubed. Calculate. So first we find c dash of t, which is, yeah, that's true. Typing the answer takes time. But you said the last 4 questions are easy, so we can spend time doing this one. 2t plus 6 2t squared. Okay, you know what? Let's do the easy questions first. Match each graph with its contour plot. You can rotate each graph by clicking and dragging. I don't know what this even means. Which one is number one, A, B, or C? You mean these pics? Okay, I'll put it on full screen. Now I can't see the chat. Wait. Is it clear now? First one is A. What's the second one? C. Third is C. And the last one is, what's the last one? Oh, wait, they can't share the same. Third is C and second, they can't share the same graph, right? I only get 3 attempts on this one. Second is D. So the last one is A, B, C. So this is B, right? Okay, submit. Perfect. See, this is the thing. I don't solve all the questions, although I know how to solve them, but I let the chat solve the question so they can learn this way. Okay, now question 11. Yeah, this is super easy, but I'll let you solve it first. So, who wants to solve this one? Yazan? How to close them?